Hi, I'm Gauri Devidayal, a restaurateur whose journey began with the Table restaurant, which we opened just over 9 years ago. Since then, we've had 2 more restaurants, Misty and May 13, a bakery called Mac Street Bread Co., and an Indian delivery kitchen called Iktara. We also own an experimental kitchen space called Magazine Street Kitchen. We at Mac Street bring to you chefs and F&B enthusiasts from around the world to share their knowledge, show you some recipes, and reveal their tips and tricks. Here's who we have coming up next.
Hello guys, Sebastian here from Lava Salt, Melbourne, Australia. I hope you are well. I'm really excited to be taking part in this DIY salads and dressings and vinaigrettes as part of the MSK Plugged. Focus on the actual detail. So I'm just going to show you now how to flavor the yogurt. We are looking for things that can help create something that is special from things that are grown in the garden, in the soil, and lift it, elevate that to make it something special and something unique.
I look forward to seeing you on Classparty. Let's cook up a storm together.